Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Cranberry, and today we are making a delicious, fresh cranberry fruit relish. This is super fresh, sweet, delicious, and easy to make. The ingredients in this recipe are cranberries, apples, oranges, orange rind, orange juice concentrate, honey, and kosher salt. Simple ingredients, we're going to combine them and taste amazing. The first thing that we're going to do is chop our cranberries. I have 12 ounces of cranberries. You could use fresh, or if you have frozen, thaw them first. So add them to a food processor or a strong blender, and we're going to chop them kind of small. Okay, I'm going to check them. Looks good. I'll show you how big they are. Nice and chopped. I'm going to scrape this into our bowl. Okay, that's good enough for now. Put the blade back. Set this aside. Next, we're going to chop some apples. 4 to 5 apples. I have 4 Cosmic Crisp, 1 Honey Crisp. You want sweet apples. I think the 4 are big enough that will make 4 to 5 cups of chopped apples. So you want a sweet apple like Honey Crisp, Cosmic Crisp, Fuji, or Gala. So I'm going to chop the apples in smaller pieces before I add it to the food processor. And you want to leave the skins on. It adds flavor and color. And I already washed these apples. I washed the oranges too. Pretty sure the 4 Cosmic Crisp apples will be enough. Okay, you're going to chop them again. Okay, I'm going to measure and see how many I have. I'm actually going to take out the big chunks because I should have chopped these in 2 smaller batches. Let's see how many I have. Okay, this is a little over 4 cups. I'm just going to go ahead and chop the rest of the apples. So a tip is to chop the apples in 2 batches. So that's probably a little more than I need. When I pour it in, I'm going to take out the big pieces. Will be just right. So next we're going to add 2 oranges to the food processor to chop them. I'm going to put them in smaller pieces just from experience. Okay, here's 1. Now the other one, I'm going to give you an option of how you want to chop your orange peel. If you do it in the food processor, the pieces are bigger. I kind of like them smaller, but it's up to you. So you can get your orange zest just off the top and then peel them. And the size of the peel is to your preference. You could also use one of these peelers. I especially like the orange zest, so I might put a little extra. I'll just mix the 2 kinds of zest. Add this. And also you can adjust the proportions of these fruits and ingredients to your taste. So now I'm going to go ahead and peel the orange after I got the zest off. These oranges aren't that big. You could add an extra one if you like. Just going to chop them a bit smaller. Chop them. Add them to our apples and our cranberries. Next, a 1/4 cup of orange juice concentrate, 1/3 cup of honey, and 1/8 teaspoon of kosher salt, or the salt that you like. We're going to stir the ingredients together. It smells amazing. It's very colorful. Okay, so I'm going to chill this a couple hours or longer for the flavors to blend, and then we'll try it. Our cranberry fruit relish has been chilling over 2 hours, and I'm going to try it. Before you serve it, you want to stir it back up to get the juices distributed throughout the relish. Okay, ready to try? I can't tell you how delicious this is. So fresh, flavorful. You're gonna love it. Try it, and I'll see you in the next lesson. It was so good.